Hello everyone. In the previous video tutorial on downloading files from Mega Cloud Storage, I showed you how to download files and folders from this platform. Today, I'll show you how to upload files to your Mega storage. As you know, Mega offers 20 gigabytes of free data storage. So, let's upload some files. Open the browser you use and log into your Mega account. Click on Upload here. Here we have two options, Upload Folder and Upload File. If you choose the first option, your entire folder with all files will be uploaded to your Mega account. The second option allows you to upload individual files such as documents, images, videos, and more. I will upload a folder and choose the first option. Find your folder on your computer and select it. Then click on the Upload button. We get a notification on the browser warning us if we are sure we want to upload files to this platform. Click on Upload. The folder has already appeared on the cloud drive. In the bottom left corner, we can track the progress of this process. Also, we can see the speed at which these files are being uploaded. Here you can also stop the upload of an individual file. For example, I don't want to upload this video from the folder, and I will only stop its upload. While the files are uploading, visit our channel. Check out the content we offer. If you found something interesting, subscribe to our channel. Thank you. We can see that all the files from the folder are now uploaded. You can find them in your folder by double-clicking or right-clicking and selecting the Open option. That's it. If you have any questions, write in the comments below this video. See you soon!